Alright, so we're back again for another video. Check this out. This is just going to be a quick video. Let me see if I can find my tool. My place is kind of a mess. Anyway, check this out. So I had a bunch of these bags that had different things in them. Like this. This is arrowroot, and this is arrowroot flour, I should say, made by Anthony's. If you guys haven't checked out this company, this is a really good company that's really reasonable on their stuff. But the big thing is I had all these bags everywhere in my little pantry that I built that were just getting in the way. So I have to organize my pantry because I'm doing a switch over from the diet that I'm on. So what I did was I went to Wally World or somewhere like that, and I got all these ball mason jars. They were on sale for like $8, which is really good. I think I got 12 of them, something like that. I don't know. I'm lost right now. But anyway, you can see I've got different things in here. I got my maca. Got my brown sugar substitute, organic coffee, organic cocoa, stuff like that. I bought a big bag of cocoa. I ended up with 3 jars. These are pretty good size too. They're like the quart size. And they got the wide mouth, which is really nice when you go to fill them. That really helps out. And then I got some matcha mixed in. I just had an old honey jar. So I mixed in some matcha latte, which is like, it's matcha mixed with monk fruit. And then I got some moringa. If you guys are having any kind of stomach issues or anything like that, this is really good. It'll lower your blood pressure. It's kind of strong flavored, but it's really good. You can see, here's all the benefits. I just put the sticker on the back. Let's see what it says. Helps to boost and sustain energy levels, mental clarity and positive mood, well-being. Contains over 90 plus nutrients and 40 plus antioxidants. Vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, protein, fiber, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all really important stuff. This is the stuff where there was people like starving in Africa and malnourished, and this plant was growing wild. So somebody had to come in and tell them how to process it and how to cook it properly. The best way to do it is have it raw, but like I said, it's really strong. So you want to put it in like a guacamole or maybe your energy drink in the morning. Cocoa, you got to have that. I got a ton. I mean, this is going to last me probably years. So stock up and then put your stuff in mason jars and mark it. From what I heard, there's like, I was going to spray paint these with the chalk paint, but a friend of mine told me that there's actually stickers you can put on, and then you can buy a marker that actually looks just like the chalk paint, which I think is really cool. And I'd build something like this. Once I would build my new place, I'm going to have something like this. I just built that and hung it out of cedar, so I can store all my food. There's all the log links in my kitchen, but that's pretty much it. Just a simple video to show you guys what I do to store up. This is really good for your well-being and blood flow. Maca is really good, especially if you're suffering from anything like depression or anything like that. That'll really help out. Virility type of stuff. It's good for that. Arrowroot is a thickener, which I got way too much. I actually got to package this up. This is 5 pounds. That'll last me forever. But you can make it in soup or stews, or you can use it as, I mean, it's really good for you, but there's so many uses for it, it's ridiculous. You can make breads out of it. So I got that. I'm going to try to do a couple different recipes for you guys and throw them up there and show you what that's like. And then, that's it, I guess. I'm trying to think here. My sugars, and then I have a big bag of erythritol, which is alcohol sugar that I got to package up as well. So just a quick overview of way to store your food, and you can even put packets in here. My grandma used to put crackers in there. So, but keeps everything nice and dust free and storable. So, all right, like and subscribe. I got to go. I'm getting too crazy right now thinking of other stuff. Bye.